This bird is known as the woodpecker, a bird famous for pecking trees. With its strong beak, it taps again and again to find food, build nests, and communicate. It searches for insects and larvae hidden beneath the bark. It begins to build its nest, pecking into the tree again and again, breaking the wood little by little until a hole begins to form. It can take several days to finish its nest, until the hole is deep and safe. When tired, it pauses for a moment, resting quietly on a branch. On the forest floor, it begins to search for food, looking for insects and larvae among the soil and roots. Inside the tree, it continues shaping its nest, clearing out the wood chips to keep the nest clean and comfortable. The hollow is almost ready. With the nest ready, the pair begins to mate. This is a natural step before laying eggs. Soon, new life will begin. She begins to lay her eggs inside the nest. Carefully, she keeps them warm and safe. After laying the eggs, she leaves for a while to search for food and restore her energy. By the 5th day, the nest holds 5 eggs. The woodpecker usually lays its eggs one by one over several days. Before incubating the eggs, the woodpecker leaves the nest for a while to find food and regain energy. A monitor lizard appears, and the eggs are now in danger. Even high up in the tree, it can still climb with ease. The lizard keeps attacking, trying to reach the nest. But the woodpecker fights back, protecting her eggs bravely. After a fierce struggle, only 3 eggs remain. Under constant attacks, the lizard finally retreats. She returns to incubate her eggs, even though only 3 remain. Finally, the long-awaited moment has arrived. The eggs begin to hatch. The mother leaves the nest, searching for food for her baby birds. Soon, she returns, bringing food for her baby birds. The hungry baby birds open their beaks, waiting to be fed. With care and dedication, she feeds them one by one. Day by day, the baby birds grow stronger and more active. With patience and constant care, The parent stays close, never far away. As time goes on, they keep growing. Through rain and passing time, it keeps feeding and protecting them. No longer tiny and fragile, they grow stronger each day, soon ready to leave the nest. The time has come, the parent begins guiding them out of the nest. They begin to leave, starting their new life beyond the tree. Even outside the nest, the parent continues to feed them, as they are not fully independent yet. Now, the young bird has become independent, no longer relying on its parent. Slowly, it begins to live on its own, learning to find food and survive in the wild. Even so, the parent still watches from a distance. Now, they are fully grown. They move freely through the forest, finding their own path, and living naturally in the wild.